What's the best way to meet people for making friends or dating?
Yeah, that's a question I get all the time. All the time, most people, most of the expats actually.
Yeah, if you stay positive, I think you can make friends everywhere.
I don't know.
Yeah, there are many language exchange events in the city. Some people go there for looking up or something.
And maybe you're gonna get like a gold digger there. Who knows that?
Yeah, or a player, right?
Wondering about life abroad, especially in Asia? Then consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Videos that give you some different perspectives and answers your questions about life abroad, especially in Asia.
For me, it's like to dancing because like there's a social dance for salsa and bachata every night in a different venue in Saigon, like 7 days a week. Language exchange club, or you can go to speed dating event or pool party. Like in Saigon, like there's a lot of happening in Saigon.
Where can you find those like events? Would you say like Facebook
on
groups?
Facebook? Yeah, because I'm in a female expat group. So
would you care to share that name with us?
yeah, that's called like female expat and,
oh, literally it's called
and
that.
local
Okay.
in Ho Chi Minh City. It's really supportive and like very helpful. It's like on Facebook, it's depend on like what you like. On Facebook they like there's many like event suggestions, like they pop up on the new feed, like
that's true.
Yeah, just like just change your location, I think. Yeah, because like after you change your location, like where you live, and Facebook will gather information and like find some like event or what happening in the city, and based on what your activities and like on Facebook, then they can recommend on your new feed.
What's the best way to meet people for making friends or dating?
I think it's like what you want. Like over here, a lot of bars they do like lady nights, and I see a lot of guys go hunting the girls as well for like one night stand or something like that for hookup. Some people go on Tinder or like Vietnamese Cupid, I think. But it's also that like if you keep hanging out with people and then like you have like local, and they will bring like another local people and see you as well. I think that's just like the most healthy way.
Yeah, meet friends through friends.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because like you already have a filter, right? When you go on Tinder, you cannot guess what you get. I mean,
yeah, and someone told me a long time ago, like, it's better if, for example, if you wanted a more stable relationship, like a girlfriend, boyfriend, you should do it through a group, because kind of like the reputation's on the line because they're mutual in the group, rather than someone random on Tinder.
True.
Yeah.
Yes, and then maybe you're gonna get like a gold digger there. Who knows that?
Yeah, or a player, right?
I think like if you want to buy fruit, you have to go on website to choose it, or you have to go to the market. So if you want anything, you have to go, like you have to understand the vibe of people like that and go to some places like that. So if you want like a cheap girls, go on Brooklyn Street. If you want to go for like more fancy girls, you can go for like Layla, the Ratcha Room, blah blah blah, something like that. If you want to go for like a really hot girl, you can go to Envy, right? So you can go to Casual Club or something like that.
What's the best way to meet people when you're new here? Meet people for making friends or dating.
Okay, so if you use Tinder easy, or you know like Facebook now, it's easily to make new friends here. Just join some group on Facebook. To me, I play football. There's several groups on Facebook, so you can join and ask them for a game.
Okay. Is there one Facebook group that comes to mind, like for football, that you would recommend? What's the name of the group?
Saigon football. If I'm not wrong.
Okay.
What's the best way to meet people for making friends or dating?
So one thing that works really well in Vietnam is Tinder. So Tinder is really good for dating. making friends. It's doing for making guy friends. It's playing football.
Yeah, football.
Playing football.
How do you find like, for example, the friends to play football with?
There's in Vietnam, Facebook is huge. Everyone is on Facebook, so there's a Facebook group for everything. So there's a Facebook group for
True. Yeah, true. There's a lot of Facebook groups.
And otherwise, it's like anywhere else. It's like best way to meet people is mutual friends. So if you know someone, you become friends. So that's yeah.
I think it's maybe Bourbon Street. Yeah, it's the best place for foreigners to make friends. Many clubs there, and yeah, it's a place to drink beers, to hang over. Yeah, of course you can make good friend when you hang over.
How many foreign friends have you made on Boy Bien?
Just some, yeah.
I think here we have a lot of like a team, a group and events for foreigners and local. It's like kind of like a bridge to connect both of them. Like Saigon Outcast, they have like some like running events, marathon, and cooking class, and especially at the co-working space, it's a good place for you to make with a lot of freelancers from everywhere. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of like also a way or showing some Vietnamese class.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mean make friends or dating?
Yeah. Making friends. How about that?
Yeah. If you stay positive, I think you can make friends everywhere.
Like where, for example?
Like social clubs or like English exchange club, culture cycle, or like traveling club.
What about for dating? Where would you go to meet?
I believe dating is something you have to like go with flow. You cannot expect somebody like daily like go on date with you immediately. Yeah, it takes time.
Okay. What's the best way to meet people in Saigon for making friends or maybe even dating?
Yeah, there are many language exchange events in the city. Some people go there for hooking up or something. So maybe girls have to be careful.
Yeah.
But men don't have to care about anything. And actually, I can meet friends everywhere, like restaurants or pubs or bars, because people are very friendly.
Now, luckily, Ho Chi Minh City is pretty happening lately these days. A lot of events, especially the English exchange, even a language exchange. There's a couple of other events. There's an English exchange, a lot of them around the cities.
Yeah.
And also there's a usually get-together event like Saigon Outcast, and a couple of places around District 2 and District 1.
Yeah.
There's like expat get-together event they're happening. In Facebook, there are plenty of them. In Facebook, I usually use the Facebook, meetup.com, and Couchsurfing. There are plenty of get together to meet people, and it won't be a big deal, especially if you're a foreigner.